Hello guys, welcome to AOYP video channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to use raw animator basis, you know. So this is the raw animator application on my mobile phone. So I'm going to press the new project. Then name, okay, I'm not name it right now. Frame rate. I don't want to adjust that much, so I'm gonna start with tray, then click OK. So pick up the brush tool and check the timeline. Here I got the small wall space right here, so I'm gonna hide the timeline for now. Now I'm going to show you the draw a line. So yeah, draw a line, then modify layer, add empty layer. Okay, then hide the timeline. Wait, make sure you select the layer number 2. Right, then this one should be draw. Yeah, then hide the timeline. Then where do we start? So check the color and then click OK. So we're gonna start with bouncing bar. Right, this is it. Then for the first frame, make it bigger. 2 frame, 3 frame, expand it. For the draw frame, duplicate after. So here we can see the same drawing. Pick the lasso tool and select, then move a little bit right here. Then draw the erase part. Okay. Add drawing, duplicate after, then hide the timeline. Pick up the lasso tool, then select and move a little bit. Then go to timeline and drawing, duplicate after, then hide the timeline, pick a lasso tool, then drop it. For now we're gonna check right here. So this is the really simple step, you know. In this video I won't be doing the big animation right now. This is the totally basis for the first video. Then keep doing the same process like this. Oh, you guys know the bouncing ball theory, right? So stretch it. Okay. Then for this one, actually make it scale up. No, rotate it. Then keep rotating. Make it small. Okay, let me see. Damn, that's bad. So this one, copied it, and for this one, delete it, then paste, move a little bit up, then for this one, move a little bit up. So let me check it. It's the weird right now. I guess I should do patiently about this. So I'm not gonna copy that one. Copy that one. This one. Delete it. Paste. Yeah. Then duplicate. Then move a little bit up. Then duplicate. Move a little bit up. Duplicate. Little bit up. Duplicate. Then. For the another one. Okay. Make it expand. This one is gone. So if you don't want to do it like this, yeah, check this out. Oh no, actually I select the wrong layer right here. So oh no, delete. Then select the first layer. Then after you can see the onion skin, but we don't draw right here. It's like a speed, you know. So let me check the play better. Okay, this is totally basis, you know. It's not that so bad, I guess. Okay, guys, this is a totally basic video because I want to record my video for very short. Now it's 7 minutes. It's okay. See you again in the next video. I'm gonna be keep drawing raw animator, more animation, and drawing in mobile application. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.